useCallback hook, a built-in React function which allows you to cache a function definition between re-renders. It takes two arguments, the function which you want to cache and a dependency array in which you list all the reactive values referenced inside of your function. The return value of useCallback is simply the function you provided as an argument. The function definition will persist between re-renders if nothing changed from your dependency array, but otherwise it will be redefined. Without the dependency array, the function will be redefined on every render. Let's look at an application which displays products and allows us to change the theme. Here we have a parent component which does two things. It selects which product should be displayed by our child component and it changes application theme. The function getProduct returns products from the products array with the index, product number. Also, this button changes theme and these buttons just change the product number. Lastly, here's our child component which gets our getProduct function as a prop. If we look at the child component closely, we can observe that it updates product information and logs something every time our getProduct function changes, and then it displays that information. After changing theme, we see that getting a product is logged, which means that getProduct function got redefined, which caused the child component to re-render, even though the product information stayed the same. To avoid this, use the useCallback hook to wrap getProduct function and add the product number as our dependency. Now, getProduct function won't get redefined if we don't change the product number. Keep in mind that optimizing functions prematurely and needlessly using this hook might cause some performance issues. That's all. This is a quick overview of use context in React to get you started. I hope this video was helpful, and if that's the case, consider subscribing to my channel.